it's Michelle from Open Road Reviews. I'm here with Brandon. We're sitting on the couch. See, those are our feet. We're really here. And if you're like us and you have the heated massaging 2023 Thomas Payne sort of love seat couch situation in your camper, it doesn't necessarily have to be a Grand Design. Imagine these seats are available in a variety of travel trailers. You probably have buttons that look like this. And you have probably accidentally pushed these buttons, or your pets have, or your kids have, and you're like, oh man, I wish that would stop happening. We found, and more specifically Brandon found on Etsy, a guy, his name's Jason, who makes these custom button covers or sort of guards. Thank you, Brandon. These guards, so that it's a little bit harder to get down in here to press these. Still easy enough to do, but it's not going to happen accidentally as easily. And you'll notice ours has these magnets right here, and that's because we got the optional cover that just snaps onto there. You can also kind of swivel this out and it'll stay, or keep it there. I am not sure how long these covers are going to last, and by that I mean not get lost in the chaos that is our family and our life. But for now, they stay on here really well. You do have to put a little bit of effort, but not a lot, to get them off. They come off completely, or like I said, you can swivel them. So this is a really good solution for keeping those accidental button pushing accidents at bay.
For example, the first night we were in here, our son slept here, and I woke up to the morning with him just baking in the chair because he had accidentally hit the button while he was sleeping, and it was on warm all night long.
Yes, and like I said, we have the dogs, and we've even had a cat or two in here, and same thing. It's very easy for them to press the buttons. So you might be asking yourself, that's really cool. Where can I get that? Well, hold on, and I'm going to show you. So here is what they look like when they're not installed, and this is the company that we got them from. You can even kind of pause here and use that QR code, or go to Jason at 3dcreations.xyz. But this is what it looks like with the 3M tape still on it. You just peel that off and then stick it on. It fits perfectly, and then you can see this is the thickness. These are what they look like. And then I'm going to pan over to the couch so you can see what it looks like with a cup in it. Totally not staged at all. And here as well, without a cup, you can't really even see it. But I'm going to take it off. There they are. So if you are thinking you want to get one of these, you are in luck, because Jason has these. Again, these are for the 2023 Thomas Payne, but he does have them for other years as well. And the other good thing, if you are interested in these, is that we are giving away this extra set that we have. And you might be like, hey, why do you even have an extra set? Well, funny story. We ordered these, and they got lost in the mail. And we knew they were lost in the mail, and so we contacted Jason, and he's like, you know what? No problem. I'm going to send you another set. And he did. And while that set was coming, lo and behold, the first set arrived almost 3 weeks late. So we now have two sets, and we're like, what do you want us to do? And he said, you know what, go ahead and you guys can give them away. So if you are looking for a set of these, would like a set, we're going to put information on how to get this particular pair in the comment section. We're going to do a little giveaway. So pay attention to that. Once the giveaway is closed, I will also put in there that, you know, the giveaway is closed, no more entries, that sort of thing. Imagine it'll be sort of a like and share situation. But this is what they look like for now. If you have any questions about these, how they work, anything like that, leave a comment. I will also put Jason's web address in the comment as well. And I think that's it, right, Brandon? You have anything else to add?
Nope.
All right. So I hope this is helpful. I hope this is going to handle a solution to a problem that you may or may not know that you have already. And like I said, let us know if you have any questions or comments. And for now, thanks for hitting the open road.